Good morning, all of you. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. Under this, stability of complex, whether it is low spin or high spin, using crystal field theory, we are going to discuss. For the COF6 3- ion, the mean pairing energy is found to be 21,000 centimeter power minus 1. The magnitude of octahedral crystal field stabilization splitting energy is 13,000 centimeter power minus 1. Calculate the field stabilization energy for this complex ion corresponding to low spin and high spin state. The given complex is COFe F6 3- ion. Now first we are going to write the IUPAC name of the given complex. Our complex is COF6 3- ion, that is hexafluorido cobaltate 3 oxidation state ion. Hexafluorido cobaltate 3 ion. The central metal atom cobalt, atomic number 27. Electronic configuration argon 18, 20 and 27. 3D, there are 7 electrons. Cobalt in this complex is in 3+ oxidation state. Cobalt 3+, the plus indicate that lost how many electron? 3 electron. Argon 18. 2 electron from S, 1 from 3D. So 3D 6, 4S 0 electronic configuration. Cobalt 3+. 3D orbital now contain how many electron? 6 electron. So in ordinary isotropic field, the isotropic field is also called Perry-Center. 3D dxy dyz dzx dx squared minus y squared dz squared. There are 5 d orbital, 3d and 4s orbital. How many electrons we have in 3d? 6 electron. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, there is one pair of electron in the isotropic field. Now we are going to calculate the electronic configuration of the isotropic field. Electronic configuration. What is meant by electronic configuration? Arrangement of electrons in different orbitals. Electronic configuration in which field? Isotropic field. Isotropic field, Perry-Center. To calculate the electronic configuration, we require number of paired electrons. Number of paired electrons in isotropic field equal to 1. Number of paired electron equal to 1. Formula used to calculate electronic configuration of isotropic field is n dash p into p, that is equal to number of paired electron 1 into pairing energy. Pairing energy is given in our problem, that is 1 into how many? 21,000. That is equal to 21,000 centimeter power minus 1, one paired electron in the isotropic field. Now come to ligand field calculation, CFSE, crystal field stabilization energy we are going to calculate. For that, the complex COF63 minus is now high spin complex. In high spin complexes, no pairing takes place in high spin complexes. No pairing takes place in high spin complexes. We have how many electrons in d orbital? There are 6 electrons in d orbital. How to fill that 6 electron in ligand field T2G and EG field, that we are going to discuss. High spin complex, no pairing takes place. How many electrons we have in d orbital? 6 electron we have to fill up. How to fill up that 6 electron? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After fill up all these electron, now one electron enter into the T2G. After filling all the electron, no pairing takes place in T2G level only. According to Hund's rule, we have to fill. Now, in high spin complexes, the electronic configuration, arrangement of electron in d orbital, electronic configuration is, in T2G we have 4 electron. T2G we have 4 electron, and EG we have only 2 electron. Now using this, how to calculate the crystal field stabilization energy? Using this electronic configuration, we can write the crystal field stabilization energy. CFSE, crystal field stabilization energy, delta E not equal to EO equal to octahedral complexes. Number of electron in T2G is 4 and minus 0.4. If you want to know the formula, you can refer the previous videos. Plus number of electron in EG is 2 and 0.6 and delta octahedral, plus number of paired electron 1 end pairing energy minus E isotropic we have calculated, that is equal to, simply now we can write E isotropic. In the next step we fill the value, equal to, now starting with 4 into 4 are 16 minus 1.6 plus 2 into 6 are 12, 1.2 end delta O end 1 into pairing energy minus E isotropic we have calculated is 21,000, that is equal to minus 1.6 plus 1.2 is minus 0.4 delta octahedral plus 1 into pairing energy. What is that pairing energy? 21,000. Pairing energy is given is 21,000 minus here also 21,000. The minus 21,000 and plus 21,000 get cancelled. So equal to minus 0.4 into delta O, that is equal to minus 0.4 into delta octahedral value given is 13,000. When you multiply these two, we will get the final answer in negative sign. So 4 into 3 are 12, remaining 1, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. 1, 2, here already we have 1.12 centimeter power minus 1. This is crystal field stabilization energy in high spin complex, for high spin complex. 5200 centimeter power minus 1, it is a negative value, remember that. Now we are going to calculate the crystal field stabilization energy for low spin complex, spin paired complex. Low spin complex in which pairing takes place. We have 6 electron in d orbital, that is 6 electron we are going to fill up with the pairing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally we have only 6 electron. Electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. In T2G, we have how many electron? 6 electron. T2G, we have 6 electron. EG, there is no electron in EG. Crystal field stabilization energy. Crystal field stabilization energy. Delta EO, that is equal to number of electron in T2G is 6 end minus 0.6 plus number of electron in EG is 0 end 0.6 delta octahedral plus number of paired electron 3 end pairing energy in the ligand field minus E isotropic. E isotropic. Now equal to, starting with the brackets, 6 into 4 are 24 minus 2.4. 0 into 0.6 equal to 0 plus 0 end delta octahedral plus 3 end P pairing energy minus E isotropic, already we have calculated, that is 21,000 equal to, now minus 2.4 end delta O plus 3P minus 21,000. Substitute all the values. Delta O minus 2.4 end octahedral crystal field splitting energy for cobalt is 13,000 plus 3 end pairing energy we know 21,000 minus 21,000, multiple all these value equal to minus 2.4 end 13,000, 24 into 13 equal to minus 31,000, actually not 200, 3,000 and 1,031,000, 0, 0, 0, we have 1 point, therefore 31,200 plus 3 into 21,000, 3 into 1 equal to 3, 3 into 2 is 6 and minus we have 21,000. When you add these two, you will get minus 52,200. This is your plus value, 63,000. 63,000. When you subtract these two, you will get 10,000 and 800 centimeter power minus 1. For high spin complexes, the crystal field stabilization energy is minus 5200. For low spin complexes, it is plus 10,800. Which one is the lowest value? Minus 5200 is the lowest value. So, after this calculation, first we have to write the negative crystal field stabilization energy value indicates that high spin complex is favored. High spin complex is favored. Now we can write the nature of the complex, high spin complex. For that we have to calculate the magnetic properties. The nature of the complex is nature of the complex. Nature of the complex. What is our complex? CO, cobalt. CO, F6 3 minus is high spin complex because the CFSE value is negative value. Negative CFSE value is preferred one. Then we have to write the electronic configuration. Already we have written that value. Here we are going to repeat. Electronic configuration in high spin complexes, that is T2G 4 and EG2, totally 6 electron. For this we have to write magnetic properties. You know how to write magnetic properties? We have to calculate number of paired electron. From that have to write whether it is diamagnetic or paramagnetic complexes. Diamagnetic or paramagnetic complexes. After using the unpaired electron, number of unpaired electron, we have to calculate the magnetic moment. Magnetic properties. Now, number of unpaired electrons. Number of unpaired electrons. Number of unpaired electrons. N equal to 4 unpaired electrons we have. Presence of unpaired electrons indicate that the complex is paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic in nature. Magnetic moment. Mu S value. Magnetic moment mu S value equal to root of n into n plus 2. N equal to number of unpaired electron, that is equal to root of 2 into 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4, 4 into 2 are 8. Root 8 equal to, if the number of unpaired electron 2, answer start with 2. 2.87 Bohr magneton. So the given complex CO, hexafluorido cobaltate 3 ion, is high spin complex and its magnetic moment value is 2.87. The complex is paramagnetic in nature. All these studies only under crystal field theory. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.